Hey guys, so I'm going to teach you how to fold a very well paper airplane. So just shine the camera down here so you can see the paper right here. Is that good? Alright, so first of all you want to fold it just like that. Doesn't have to be perfect. Try and make it as best as you can. And now, open it up. You should have a line right down the middle. And you want to fold the corner to the line and crease. Make that crease pretty like tight, so that like it's not like this, it's not like that, and you just have like that, because otherwise it won't stay. So then you just do the same with the other. Make sure that you have a good tip. Right here doesn't really matter. Down here, just want to make sure that you have a good tip right here. So then you do that. Fold it up here. Like that. And just wait till the end, because at the end we have something that's different. So then you just want to fold it over here. Oh, still part of the Christmas tree. Then you want to fold the wings. Try and make that so that the top right here lines up with the bottom here. So I didn't do a very good job. And make sure that down here lines up with that. Perfect. Good. Do the same with the other side. And now you have a paper airplane, but it's not the best yet. So, what you want to do is you want to open it up again. Just leave it like this, just like I did. So it was like that. You're just going to open it up like that. Fold this as far down as you want. The most I would recommend is probably like an inch or so down. Make sure it lines up with the center line right there. The tip of the airplane would. And now fold the tip back up to here, as what I've done. See, if you want to see it like that, you just go down, up, like that. Fold it back, like that. You should have a flat nose. You might have to fold it again like I would have to, right here. Just so that it all is good. Now, let's test it out. So, I'm going to shoot it from over here to over there. So, you come over here. I got it. So, I'm going to shoot this airplane from here to over there. Ready? Pretty good, right? All right, let's see if we can get it. See if we can get it going better. That's good, but not good enough. So let's see again. Let's go again. I'm gonna try and aim for up there. See? Really well, right? And you don't have to worry about nosedives or anything like that, because when it crashes into a wall, it goes like that. On a regular airplane, it would go, hold on, just let me fold this back into a regular airplane, like that. It would go and crush the nose like that. But on this airplane, as I showed you, you would fold this back and fold it up. That would, you get two benefits. Flies better and no worries with nose guys. So that is how you make a paper airplane.